So friends, see here that we have the star map. I have already completed my tasks of today, and now you can see that I am getting 8 star fuel. For this you have to upgrade your ship by star ship upgrade points. You can do this by opening this pack. Okay. See here, versus attack match upgrade. I need only more, how many points? Let's see, 192 moon dust points I have. So see here, I need only 8 more to get the star 98 player. I am getting excited. I am getting excited so much. I am going to get the 98 VR player. Okay, see, I have already purchased the Star 6 and now 98 OVRs. I purchased it. Okay, I purchased it. Now see, I got 300 pre-season tokens here. Now it's time to open the Star Player pack. So, what we can get? There are only these many players. Okay, what I can get. I hope what I can get. Oh, what I will get. Okay, it's a large player pack. There's a large player at the beginning of the next FIFA season. And Goretzka, I got Goretzka. That's nice, 126 pay. Okay, now I will use it for rank up of my team. Okay, I will use Goretzka for the rank up. I will swap 126. But I will use Goretzka for rank up. Okay. I have all the requirements.